Gotta start by wearing all red so that you can match the tomatoes. Get a pot. Red pot's probably best. These are hot Italian sausages. We're gonna brown them. We're gonna peel some garlic, put it in this cup. This is basil and crushed red pepper, tomato paste. This is olive oil. Gotta zap this thing. These things are brown. You can take them out. That's 2 cans of tomatoes. Dump them in this bowl. Save these cans. Mush these with your hands. Wear red pants. Red thumbs up for your friends. Got to keep that dripping from the sausage. And then we're going to put in some of this paste. Save some of it for later. Or cook this until it's brown. When that's brown, dump in that tomato you smushed. Try to get it all in the pot. It's important to clean up your messes when they're still wet. Use the tomato can to add water. Salt and pepper to taste. Onion. Get that rough chop and then put it in the red pot. Add some more of this stuff for that fresh. Yo, remember these? Cut them up and throw them in the pot. Or turn it up. Cook off that water a little bit and stir it sometimes. Alright, it's a couple hours and the sauce is thicker, so cover it and then boil some water. Salt. Water's boiling. Gotta dump the pasta. Cook that till it's al dente. You can use any brand, but I like Luther Vandross. Drain the pasta. Throw it back in the pot with olive oil and Parmesan cheese and black pepper. I'll put it on a plate. Sauce it. I want to get a little more cheese and black pepper. Pretty good.